Hi everyone, welcome to this new video. In today's video, we're going to start working with login functions. Login functions are methods that MLflow provides so that we can log and track metadata about our experiments. And the first method that we're going to explore in this video is log metric. Well, as the name implies, we can use this method to log metrics. And metric is a value that indicates the performance of a certain model, for example. So as always, the first thing that we're going to do is to import MLflow and set the tracking array. Then we're going to start using the method. So here I am starting my run and then using mlflow.logMetric. Now this logMetric method automatically logs the metric within the run in which is, let's say, called. In this case, as you can see here, mlflow.logMetric is within this context, right? So it's going to log the metric in this particular run. Now here I am retrieving the run and printing the information associated to this run. So let me run this, and here we can see that we were able to log the metric. Now let me show you this in the interface. Here I have this new run login metrics, under which we can see the metric that we just logged. Back to the notebook. There is another method that it's very similar, and it's called log metrics. Now in this case, instead of providing a single metric key value, we need to provide a dictionary of metrics. So this method is very useful when you have like a set of metrics that you want to log at the same time or at once. So here I'm doing something similar. I am using log metrics and providing a dictionary with metrics. Then here I am printing the information associated to this particular run. And here we have M1, M2, and M3. Let me show you this in the interface. Let me go to default, login metrics, the last run, and here we have the three metrics that we logged using mlflow.logMetrics. Now back to the notebook. Now this particular method, logMetric, accepts as an argument the ID of the run that you want to use. For example, in this case, I am creating an instance of the MLflow client. Then I am using the client to create an MLflow run, right, under the default experiment. And here I am providing also the name of this run, login metrics. Now I am capturing the run ID in this variable and using that run ID within logMetric method. So we can do the same for logMetric and logMetrics. And then I am terminating this particular run using setTerminated. So let me run this code. And now let me retrieve that run to print the information associated to this particular run. As you can see here, we were able to attach metrics to this run. So this method is useful because sometimes when we create a run, it's not an active run. For example, in previous videos, I showed the difference between a run object and an active run. When we are using a client, we are creating a run object, not an active run, which means that login functions cannot automatically detect that particular active run. That's why it's very convenient that we have this mechanism in which we can provide the ID of the run that we want to use as a container. Of course, not all the login functions provides the functionality. Other methods, like for example logParents, do not allow or do not accept an argument like a run ID. So that was everything for this video. Thanks for watching it and see you next time.